Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to join a league on FIFA Mobile. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the FIFA Mobile game on your device and you will be taken into the main menu from which you can directly start enjoying your game. Now, if this is the first time that you are playing the game, then you will be taken to the various tutorial levels, and after completing these, you will be able to choose your club. Now, the league option will be visible in the main menu at the bottom, but you cannot tap on this right now. If you tap on the league button, you will be told that this will only unlock once you complete the expert lessons. In order to complete this lesson, tap on the quests button at the bottom left corner from the main menu, and then tap on the whistle icon at the top. From the whistle icon, proceed with completing all of the FC lessons from beginning to advanced. Once you complete the advanced lessons as well, after playing your match, it will unlock the leagues option from the homepage. You can then tap on leagues and you will be allowed to join any league that is available to you from the options. Just choose your desired league and you will be able to proceed forward in playing in the league mode. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to join a league on FIFA Mobile. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.